This demonstration we're going to have a look at the advanced network settings and network settings associated with virtual machines in Hyper-V. What I'm going to do at this point here, I've come at my Hyper-V manager. I'm just going to pick on my lon-cl1-b machine. We'll right click, we'll come to settings, and what we'll have a look at here is the network adapter. So if we click on the plus, what we can see to start with is we're currently sitting on a virtual switch called private network. We haven't enabled the VLAN ID and we haven't enabled bandwidth management, but as we can see here we can do things such as specify minimum bandwidth, and we can also specify maximum bandwidth as well. We're not going to bother removing the network adapter, but we will come to hardware acceleration. So if we have a network adapter that can actually support this, what we can do by enabling the virtual machine queue is we can allow a virtual machine with multiple virtual processors to process the network traffic on each processor. We've also got the ability to enable IPsec task offloading. By being able to do this, what we can do is we can take away the physical network load from the Hyper-V host and pass it to the supported network adapter. Also, if we have a supported network adapter as well, we can enable single root I/O virtualization. And what this will allow us to do is this will allow the virtual machine to communicate and bypass a virtual switch. If we come to the advanced features, what we have under advanced features, under MAC address we have dynamic, or we can specify static MAC address. We can also enable MAC address spoofing if we're using things like Microsoft clustering. If this virtual machine was a DHCP server, what we could do is we could enable the DHCP guard, and that would stop, as it says, or drop DHCP server messages from unauthorized virtual machines pretending to be DHCP servers. We have exactly the same thing with router guard, so what we can do is we can block or drop router advertisement and redirection messages from this unauthorized virtual machine. The protected network switch allows the virtual machine to move via live migration onto another cluster node if network disconnection is detected. Port mirroring allows us to mirror traffic, and in the case of the mirroring mode we can have none, destination or source. And if this virtual machine had multiple network adapters, we also have the ability to enable NIC teaming as well. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.